When we were a child, my father tend to tell me his stories about his frustrations in the military, that he always applied to become one. But then when he's already there in the training, because he is tired of waiting, that's why he decided to went back home. And when he went back home, that was the time that the quota would be called and he would not be included again in the quota. And he was doing that for around 3 times. He even tried in the military, he tried in the police, he tried in everything, but then he just said na maybe hindi talaga ako para doon, sabi niya. And that's from there, nagkaroon ako ng idea about military when I was a child. And then I thought I want to become one. But then, dahil bata pa po, parang nadadivert yung mga attention, yung mga gusto. Nung nag-high school ako, medyo nakalimutan ko yung military. Tapos naalala ko na lang siya bigla nung nagkaroon na ng info drive, nung mga graduating na po ako. Kaya nung graduating ako, naalala ko ulit na, ay, gusto ko nga pala ito dati. Pero nung nakita ko po yung requirements, masyado pa po akong bata para mag-exam. Kaya sabi ng mama, mag-1 taon muna ako sa college, then I'll take the exam. Kaso, nung mga panahon na yun, lagi po natatapat na election po ng papa ko. Kaya wala pong sumasama sa akin sa pag-ayos ng papers, sa mga ganun po. Kaya nung sa college po ako, natapos ko po yung 3rd year ko bilang presidential scholars na parang required kami mag-render back ng service namin dun sa university bilang parang student assistant na we help in the different offices. Kaya yun po, ako po parang aware po ako sa mga activities ng university po namin. Kaya ako yung nag-post ng mga posters na take the challenge, take the PMA entrance exam. Kaya naging aware po ako na may ganun po pala kasi examination center yung university po namin. Kaya sabi ko kay Papa, itatry ko ulit. Kasi naalala ko nga pala, gusto ko nga rin pala yung dati. Kasi yun po, kaya sabi ko itatry ko po ulit. And then natapat na walang election nun, kaya nasamahan niya po ako. Kaya nakapag-exam po ako ng PMA nun.